Bill Gowdy checking in. I've got an adventure for you today. Actually, it's a couple adventures. I got several packages, 3 packages in the mail from Libby Loo Loo, Dexter Bagby, and David Bush. Check it out. I'll tell you, look at this. Huh? Will you look at that? Surprise package in the mail. Leather sheath, carbon steel full tang bushcraft knife from David Bush, a long-time subscriber. I hadn't heard anything out of him for quite a while, and he says, "Hey, I got a package headed your way," and sure enough, surprise package. Thank you, David. We're gonna put this to good use. Yeah, it doesn't say, doesn't have any maker's mark or anything like that on it. Not that I could see anywhere. It's sharp. And, yeah, I'm going to use it here. I just love blades, you know I do. Libby Loo, Dexter Bagby, and David Bush. Their links are all down below. Check them out. They're all good subs. I think David is a gamer and has some gaming videos, but none of the other two make videos, at least not yet anyway. I hope they do. I'm sub to them, just in case they do. Check them out. Tell them Bill Gowdy sent you. Thank you, Tennessee Tornado. We're going to put this to the test. I got some pork ribs over there cooking in their own juices. And we're going to test out a little of the Tennessee's best old-fashioned apple butter barbecue sauce. It's not low carb. But you know what? It's got 11 carbs in a serving, you know, and, you know, there's... You know, yeah, you know, you got to do it sometimes. You just got to do it. In here I have beets, onion, a head of garlic, celery, and asparagus. And that's Debbie Holland's steamer down there. I'm going to steam all those shortly. I'll wait till the ribs are darn near done before I turn that on. That'll steam probably about, I don't know, half hour, I suppose.
My back hurts, but with the Contour Swan, I'm able to get in one spot. Morning, I feel great. This Contour Swan has changed our lives. We're getting
Well, you look at that.
sleep, and best
What?
yet, my husband doesn't
Oh
snore
my,
anymore.
you don't even need the knife. Thank you, David. Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, these are so tender, you know, but that knife really does come in handy. Look at the goodness. I don't know. Are ribs a finger food? That's been a a question for a long time. Look how tender that is. Just coming right off the bone. Apple butter. That is good. Oh my. I don't even know how to explain or how to tell you. It tastes so good. You can taste the smoky flavor from the fire. I can taste sweetness from the barbecue sauce. A little bit of the vinegar comes through a carrier. But it's so tender, so good. Look at that. Lucy gets a bone. She'll like that. Actually, she likes the bones with a little more meat on them. But you know what? She won't be that choosy. She'll eat it. She just eats the ones with the meat on them first. Thank you, Tennessee Tornado. Brian. That's awesome. Will you look at this? Out of the blue, a package from Libby Loo Loo. A danger zone. Oh, look at the goodness. Explosive, fiery, and sizzling. I see some avocado and eggs in my future. It looks good. Thank you, Libby. Thank you, Dexter. Dexter Bagby sent me a bush, nostalgic bush mirror. That is awesome. Thank you, sir. The link for Dexter and Libby is down below. I don't have, they don't make videos, I don't believe, but I'll put their link down there. They're good subs, awesome subs. Well, it's almost time for fishing. There's my last bag of fish. Catfish from 9/6 of 22. I'm gonna have those tonight. And I'm hungry for them fish too. But I'll tell you what, Lucy wants out. Hang on. I'll tell you what I did. I gotta show you this. Over here, this little remote control device controls the outlet for my power supply that turns my pump on. So when I turn on, pump comes on, and when I turn off, pump goes off. It's a step saver. So here I am. I'm going to turn it on. I got water and you can hear the pump running. And I go over here, turn it off. That's just the pressure of the pump that's built up, but the pump's not running, and as you can see, the water goes down. Runs the pump out. Runs the pressure off the pump. It's a step saver. Asparagus, onion, and down underneath there is some beets being steamed in the Debbie Holland steamer. Can't wait. That's my hot salad. Look at the goodness. Oh, one of my favorites. Hot salad and some catfish.
One bank with the power of both. Chase. Make more of what's yours.